Hi everyone. So today we will learn about XLOOKUP. So XLOOKUP function, actually it is like solution to VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. So VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP have limitation. I have prepared some my previous videos. So HLOOKUP works on row level and VLOOKUP works on column level only. So if you guys have watched my video, please watch them also. So and VLOOKUP, like it works from left to right only. Like the uh, the array, like which lookup array should be on the extreme left, like wherever you are taking the reference. But in case of XLOOKUP, it is nothing like this. So I will show you some examples also. So let's get started. Okay, so this is example number one. So this is the data I have. So you can see I have country name here on right side, prefixes and left side, and abbreviation. So in VLOOKUP, if this is my lookup array, it should be in the left side, but in XLOOKUP it is doesn't like this. Suppose I write China here, leave China, Canada, okay, and I want, like, what is the dial code here? Okay, so what is the dial code? So prefix I will write XLOOKUP. So it's pretty simple, you see. So in XLOOKUP, I want lookup value. What is my lookup value? So I want something which is entered in F3. Canada. City, Canada is my lookup value. What is the lookup array? So this is the lookup array, the country names. And what is the return array? So I want prefix should be returned. Simple. You don't have to put the range, anything like VLOOKUP. It's pretty easy, you can see. And even if I do cut copy it anywhere, it won't create any difference. You see, still I am getting the answer here. See, locations can be changed also. See, Belgium it is 89, and if I put Japan, it is giving me the answer. So it's very easy in XLOOKUP. So this is the basic use. In my coming example, so I will show lots of use cases of it. So example 2, suppose I want the return, like with my lookup value I will get return value of both employee name and department. So how it can be done? Suppose I am adding this one here, employee ID. So I will again put x lookup. My lookup value is this, and employee IDs is my lookup array. And what I want to return, I want department and employee name both. So I will select both of them and I will close it. So it is giving me the both of them as the answers. See, okay, if I put suppose 2352, see, both of them I am getting here. So this is how also we can use it. Now there is another thing. Suppose if any data I have entered, it is not here. So suppose in data validations I was showing you, you can enter something or some formulas in my previous video. So here what we can do, suppose 1234 I have written here, and if I enter some value which is not in the database, I should get some response. So see, I will again do x lookup. Lookup value should be my employee ID. Lookup array should be this, employee IDs, and my return look should be this. Now it is saying if not found, so I can give some message also. Oops, not found, and I will close. See, if I enter 5678, it will give me the answer. But if I'm putting some random value, it will give this error message. So this is how also we can use XLOOKUP. Now suppose, let's come to this example. I don't want to give some if not found. I want to give like if it is like matching something, okay, and search mode. So like suppose for 39,745 it is kicking exact 22%, okay, but if it is above that it will give me the next tax rate. So how it can be done? So suppose I am writing 80,000 as the income here. So what I will do, I will again do X lookup. Lookup value will be my income. Lookup array should be my income. Okay. And return should be the what is the tax rate. Now if you see here, it is showing if not found, match mode and search mode. So I will put 0. Okay. If not found, match mode I will put 1, which means function will look for an exact match, and if it cannot find one, it will returns the next larger item. And finally I will put search item, okay, 1, which will search for the like argument, like which means the function will search for the first item to the last, like it will search for whole of this data. Okay, I will enter. So now you see I have put 80,000. Okay, it is giving me 33% because after 39,000, like if I put 39745 here, it will give me 29 percentage. But if I am increasing it by 1 or 6, so it will give me 33%. So similarly, like if I put suppose 1,69,000, it will give me 5% because after this tax rate, this is the next value is coming, so it will give me the next values here. So this is how it work in xlookup can also run in the like how we can match the things. Okay, now coming to example 5. So this is a little bit complex, but like it's very helpful. So it will return you the values vertically also and the h lookup. So if you see these values, net profit, profit percentage, I have written as vertically, but quarter values are written as horizontally. So I will use both lookups here. So how from X lookup we can get the intersection of two horizontally and vertically both. Okay, so let's get started. So quarter, when I put quarter, it should give me the gross profit, net profit, and profit percentage. So how it can be done? So I will put X lookup. The value should be first gross profit. Where gross profit is, it is here. So once I click this one, I will make this cell as an absolute reference. Okay. I will put dollar sign here. Then I will put in again one more X lookup, and now I will take reference value as the quarter. Okay, and I will make it as a absolute column, and then I will take these quarters till total as the value. Okay, because horizontally also I want this, and I will make it as an absolute reference, and last I will select this whole data because this I want as an output. Okay, and I will make it an absolute reference. Okay, so suppose I put now quarter one here. So let me extend this formula here. So see, so if I put quarter two, sorry, it's Q spelling mistake. So oops. So quarter two, see for quarter two, 36,000, and this I have highlighted. This is the profit percentage. If I put quarter three here, see, I'm getting this thing. 30,000 is my gross profit. Okay, and net profit, and this is this. So it will give you the output horizontally and vertically also. Okay, so my last example, like how you can use xlookup to sum the things, like sum the rows, like in some range. Suppose I want sum from apple to banana, so how it can be done? So I will use this, I will paste this, and I will paste banana here. So the formula is you will put equals to sum because we want sum. Now inside sum I will do x lookup. So for apple I will put apple as the lookup value. This is the range, the lookup array, and return array is the total value I want. Once this is done, you will close this bracket and I will put an semicolon. Okay, and I will put X lookup. Now banana, I will take the end value. I will select this and this is my return, and I will put two brackets. So if you see, it is showing 51. So if I sum this, see it is $51. If I put apple to cherry, okay, see it is showing 66. Even if I sum this, see this is $66.30. So this is how you can use XLOOKUP for various things. I will do one thing. I will give the link to this sheet also, so you guys can do practice also. And thanks a lot for watching my videos. And that's it for today. Thanks everyone.